DJT stock analysis. Is it a buy or a sell? Where is it going from Friday and onward? How am I taking advantage of this one? Right here and then, like, we're sitting a good 24, 20, just below 24 bucks, just a tad bit lower. Yeah, it was a 16% increase in price, and actually this has changed a lot. This has changed a lot because it has actually started breaking above the no man's land, and this is gonna get diluted. So there was no signs of bearish moves, and that's why we're diluting it. With this bullish momentum, I'm just looking forward to double down. Obviously, like, when the trend is moving, you just want to double down on it. Like, but honestly speaking, unless again then the rules are still mad that I'm not gonna buy. So the rules are just prerequisite in order for me to pull the trigger or just have the confidence to do that. So because I've refined this strategy over the last 29, almost 30,000 videos that I've done over the last 4 years. So that's what I'm waiting for. I just genuinely need a pullback, and then I'll buy, only if the rules are met. So if you want to learn to make more money by taking less trades, click the first link in the description. It is a free course.